Hello, my amazing money-savvy family. Welcome back to the channel. How's everyone doing today? I'm Badamosi Omalola, and today, we're diving into something essential for every single one of us: mastering budgeting, not just in the old school way, but with advanced tools and apps that put your money on autopilot while keeping you in total control. Yes, it's possible. Now, let me ask, who doesn't want to finally feel like the boss of their own finances? Imagine setting your goals, knowing your money's working right alongside you, and feeling excited about checking your budget. We're not talking boring spreadsheets or restrictions. Nope. We're bringing in tools that make money management easy and, dare I say, fun. Picture this: no more guesswork, no more end-of-month anxiety, and no more asking, where did all my money go? Today, we're unlocking that potential together. Stick with me, and you'll see how these apps can totally transform how you view and handle your finances. Let's get into it. Let's start with a powerful yet simple tool: expense tracking. An expense tracker isn't just a list, it's your personal financial detective, showing you exactly where your money goes and giving you a super clear view of your habits, behaviors, and spending patterns. Now, think of apps like Money Manager or Mint. Every time you spend, these apps instantly categorize your expenses. Groceries, entertainment, transportation. Each category is tracked separately so you get an accurate, easy view of your spending habits and patterns. Imagine this: it's the end of the month, and you realize you spent $10 or 15,000 Nigerian Nairas on food delivery without even noticing. These trackers show you those little habits that add up fast, and by knowing this, you can make tiny adjustments with a huge impact on your budget. Trust me, awareness is the first step. Let's unlock these insights to make smarter choices that align perfectly with your financial goals every time. Remember, the more you track, the more empowered you become. Now that we've tracked our expenses, it's time to set a budget. Let's talk about one of my favorite advanced budgeting tools, YNAB, or You Need a Budget. This app takes budgeting to a whole new level by giving every dollar and naira a job. With YNAB, you're not just creating a budget, you're building a proactive plan. Let's say you have $60 or 100,000 Nigerian Nairas income for the month. YNAB lets you allocate $18 or 30,000 Nigerian Nairas for rent, $12 or 20,000 Nigerian Nairas for groceries, and $9 or 15,000 Nigerian Nairas for savings. It's like running your personal economy where each dollar has its purpose. Let's take it up a notch. Imagine you want to save for a fun road trip in 3 months. You create a separate budget line in YNAB, setting aside a little each week so you're fully funded by the time you're ready to hit the road. YNAB keeps you focused, helping you avoid that temptation to overspend. See how powerful it is to give your money direction? With this setup, it's nearly impossible to get off track. Budgeting just got real. Let's make saving automatic. We're talking about setting up your finances so you don't even need to think about saving, it just happens. Apps like PiggyVest and Cowrywise are amazing for this. With PiggyVest, for instance, you can set up automatic transfers that move a fixed amount from your bank account to a savings goal. Maybe it's $3 or 5,000 Nigerian Nairas a week, or $6 or 10,000 Nigerian Nairas monthly. It's flexible and happens on your schedule. Imagine you're saving for a big event like a wedding, a new laptop, or a mini vacation. You set a goal of $126 or 200,000 Nigerian Nairas. PiggyVest lets you choose a time frame and then divides your goal into small, automatic transfers. Before you know it, that big, intimidating goal has been reached little by little without feeling the pinch. Alright, let's take it up a notch: investing. Why let your money sit when it could be growing? Apps like Trove or Bamboo bring investing within reach, letting you invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets even with a small amount. On these apps, You can start as low as $1 or 1,000 Nigerian Nairas and gradually grow your portfolio. They offer easy-to-understand analytics to help you make smart choices, whether you're buying local stocks or dipping into global markets. Picture this: you've got $3 or 5,000 Nigerian Nairas, and you invest in a US stock or even a Nigerian stock on Bamboo. With time, you could watch that investment grow as the market goes up. The earlier you start investing, the more your money has time to compound. Investing can be intimidating, but with these tools, it's easy. It's about consistency and patience. Plus, don't forget to diversify for balance. And remember, don't be afraid to seek advice or research before making moves. Ready to take control of your future wealth. Now, let's talk about seeing the future. Financial forecasting tools help you project where you'll be in a few years. Using tools like Personal Capital or even a well-organized Google Sheet, you can map out your financial future based on your current budget and goals. Forecasting lets you set realistic goals. You enter your current income, expenses, and a saving rate, and the tool generates a roadmap. You can see how much you'll save, how debt repayment will look, and even set up milestones. Imagine you want to save $625 or 1 million Nigerian Nairas in the next 5 years for a down payment on a house. You enter your monthly savings goal and other expenses, and the app shows you if you're on track. This clarity gives you confidence. Seeing your financial future is like creating a roadmap for your dreams. Don't just budget for today, plan for a lifetime. With financial forecasting, you can also play around with different scenarios. What if you save an extra $50 or 5,000 Nigerian Nairas a month? What if you invest a bit more aggressively? Each scenario shows how your choices impact your future. It's all about empowerment. You're not just reacting to money situations, you're actively shaping your financial journey. And having that clear path to your goals? Now that's priceless. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about keeping your money secure. Budgeting and investment apps are safe, but they're only as secure as your setup. Prioritize apps with strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and trusted reputations. Enable two-factor authentication on all your budgeting apps. This adds a second layer of security, making sure it's really you before any transaction. It's a simple step but makes a big difference. Also, regularly update your passwords and avoid using the same password across multiple platforms. Strong, unique passwords are like an impenetrable fortress for your incredibly valuable financial information, safeguarding it against any unauthorized access or potential breaches. Your money, your future, keep it protected. A secure financial life is a confident one, allowing you to focus on growing your wealth without the worry of unexpected financial threats. So there you have it, everyone. A full, advanced budgeting setup with the best tools for total money control. Now, these apps are not just to help you budget, they're here to help you build wealth, stay secure, and achieve your financial goals with ease. Think of them as your financial sidekicks, always ready to assist you in making informed decisions that will lead to a prosperous future. Investing in your financial literacy is just as important as investing your money. The more you know, the more empowered you'll feel to take control of your finances. Remember, budgeting isn't a one-time task, it's a lifestyle. It's about creating habits that lead to long-term financial stability and success. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button. You'll never miss out on a single tip to level up your finances. Be sure to BOOP the like button and show some love if you're ready to budget like a boss. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if there's a financial topic you want us to explore next, just ask. We've got you covered. Together, we can build a community of savvy savers and wise investors. Let's make our financial dreams a reality.